Welcome back to the Fearless Food Room. If you want to know how to make trains, welcome back to the Fearless Food Room. If you want to know how to make these absolutely stunning chocolate chip muffins that also just happen to be dairy free, then keep on watching. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to sieve together our baking powder and our plain flour. So I've got my baking powder in here along with my flour, and we're just going to simply just sieve it together. And this also means that that baking powder gets evenly distributed throughout the muffins. Now what we want to do is we want to add in our brown sugar. So we're just going to pour that in and give it a nice stir. I like to use a metal spoon because it means that it disrupts the air less in your product. So once you've got your dry mixture all mixed together, you want to start on your wet mixture. So in here I have got some vanilla soy milk, purely because vanilla soy milk is what I've got at the moment. Any type of milk will do this. Then I've got some melted butter because I prefer melted butter to oil in muffin recipes. I've got some 2 eggs here that I've just whisked together because we want to start breaking down that protein before it goes into our mixture. Then I've also got some vanilla as well. So I'm going to put about a teaspoon's worth of vanilla in because we are making chocolate chip cookies. Then I want to add in my melted butter. This has cooled down quite a lot, so it's not going to curdle anything. And then I want to add in my eggs as well, just like so. All I'm going to do is just simply give this a whisk with my fork, just to incorporate everything together. Now what we want to do is mix our dry with our wet. So I'm just going to pour in my dry mixture, like so. And then I'm going to start folding that in. Now it might take a little bit of time, that's okay. It also might be a bit lumpy, that's also okay. And I do apologise about trains. So we just want to give this a really good stir until all that batter is nice and silky. You should end up with a mixture that kind of looks like this. It's a tiny bit lumpy, but nice, smooth, pourable batter. I've got some chunked up chocolate here. I'm not going to add all of it. I'm just going to add probably about 3/4 worth to my mixture because I want some for the top as well. So as I've chopped it all up, you can see all those crumbs, delicious. And I'm just going to fold these through that mixture. Because I don't have any muffin cases myself, I've just made some out of baking paper. It's simply just squish it into the bottom like so, and you get those like really rustic looking muffin cases. My batter, I've just poured it into the jug because I just find it a little bit easier to work with when making muffins from the jug. And all I'm going to do is just pour it in until it's about 3/4 full. So that is perfect. Top them with a couple of chocolate chunks each. Now this batter will make about 12 muffins. Look how they have risen. Oh, they just look incredible. Look at the rise on that. How incredible. So it's taste test time. I'm very excited. I mean, just look at that, okay? Look at all that speckled chocolate, it hasn't muffin topped. It's just, oh, absolutely stunning. Look at that. There's a little bit crinkled around the side because we didn't use proper baking thingies, but that's okay. So let's do this. I'm so excited. Oh my god. It tastes exactly like, you know, those little mini muffins that you get from the supermarket. It tastes exactly like that. And you see the spread of chocolate throughout that. Absolutely perfect. Oh, I love chocolate muffins. I love chocolate chip muffins. Chocolate chip muffins I think get slept on quite a lot. But they are so sweet, so well risen. Okay, look at that crumb. Oh, it's just stunning. Absolutely delicious. Now, if you would like any more recipes, then please like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at The Fearless Food Room. And if you want any one-to-one lessons, let me know. Email me, you can Instagram me, absolutely anything. But, oh my god, I'm so ready to eat these.